It's Bruce Reba. This is another Lost Space Center tour. Hey, look there in the distance. There's the full moon sitting to the west. And since Artemis 2 is going to be heading to the moon, I thought that was great to pull over. Hey, so the lost history. I'm standing here, the no motor zone. What a morning. No wind. This is perfect for fishing. But what I wanted to talk about, the lost history. Let's get the moon in the background again. So the lost history is, I came out here kayaking one time, Kennedy Space Center, and it was just after a cold snap, and a brutal cold snap. I think it had been down to 25 degrees for 2 days maybe. But anyway, the river was loaded with dead fish. It was, as far as you could see, was dead snook, flounder, trout, the sea trout, pinfish, hardhead catfish, sail catfish. What else? I'm not sure what possibly. The red drum. And it was very bad. It was very sad. Bad odor to it. But what it made me think about the lost history, and it is the famous freeze of 1898, where the temperature reached at Lake Okeechobee, it was 20 degrees for a week. And when I think about how the devastation of just a couple nights at 25 degrees hit, compared to 200 miles south, and it was 20. That's ice. It must have killed everything. And indeed, in the book "The Land Remembered," the guy talks about how there was a mass migration out of Florida because all the winter gardens died, fruit trees died, all the fish in the rivers died. So there's no food that way. And then the small game like rabbits and squirrels, they all froze to death. And it was, the manatees and the sea turtles too, they all went belly up in the river. So it's kind of jaw-dropping when you compare that freeze. Hey, look, a mosquito. All right, that means take a good look at the moon setting, and I'm going to work. Oh my God, I should be fishing. Look at that. No wind. Well, slight wind, but I could be throwing a top water plug out there. Oh, the tar.